Fund the fund. Fund the fund for AIDS, tuberculosis and malaria.
The Federal Ministry of Health has pledged its continued contribution to the Global Fund for the Management of HIV, Tuberculosis and Malaria globally. National Coordinator, National AIDS, STIs, Hepatitis Control Program of the Ministry made the pledge at a news conference organized by AIDS Healthcare Foundation, an NGO in Abuja.
Nigeria, as a nation, will never and has never abandoned its responsibility and commitment over the health of our citizens. Over 1.1 million people are on treatment with the support of Global Fund, PEPFAR, and other national and international non-governmental agencies. Nigeria also, as a nation, we have not failed our responsibility within the Committee of Nations. Just looking backward to the 5th replenishment held in Canada, Nigeria made a promise, and we have since fulfilled the pledge and the commitment to Global Fund. For the incoming 6th replenishment holding in Lyon, France, Nigeria as a nation will be represented, and Nigeria will also pledge like other nations, and Nigeria will fulfill that pledge definitely.
He appreciated the AIDS Foundation for its contributions to and collaboration with the Federal Ministry of Health in the efforts to reach, test and treat people in remote communities across Nigeria.
Currently, AHF work with my office, National AIDS STI Control Program, to reach a lot of the unreached people on the NTPP program of my office. And they are doing that, and they are putting more people on treatment.
Country Program Director of the Foundation in Nigeria stressed the need to step up the fight against HIV and AIDS if the country must end AIDS in 2030.
We're thanking the nations. We're profusely thanking the nations that have already committed to give, while at the same time reminding the others that the fate of over 60 million persons squarely lies in their hands. AHF and its partners is joining the Global Fund in calling on the world to step up the fight against HIV, TB and malaria. And so this press conference is a way to say a big thank you. A big thank you to those nations that have pledged to this 6th replenishment, and as we use this opportunity to also send a note of expectation to countries that are yet to fulfill their commitments and encourage our own government to do more.
Executive Secretary, Civil Society for HIV and AIDS in Nigeria spoke on the importance of an effective national response on HIV and AIDS.
Making this replenishment, making these donations to the Global Fund will help us to further fast-track them, will help us to further reaching those last mile and ensuring that we put this 500,000 on treatment. And hopefully by 2025, before 2030, we'll have been talking of epidemic control as a country. We'd like to thank the national program, but we are also encouraging the national governments that this is time to also double their own donation as country in terms of just beyond the Global Fund, the domestic resources that they release to fighting HIV and AIDS in Nigeria. We're also taking this opportunity to encourage the state governments to make sure that whatever commitment, whatever resources that have been enveloped for HIV and AIDS STI response in their various states are appropriately and adequately released on time so that we can get to where we need to be.